What is up, guys? And today I'm doing a video on a Zippo that I ordered. Disclaimer, I do not smoke. Okay, let's get to it. So anyway, I ordered a 1937 replica from eBay. So, yeah. I just want to cut the box, so. Okay. Here we are, guys. So. Zippo. By the way, this is my first Zippo. My parents almost didn't let me get this. I'm not allowed to have a lighter fluid in it anyway, so. Oh. Wow, okay, and then here's the, talks about the Zippo, I guess. And then, here's the Zippo. Wow, so it's originally $19 American, and I ordered this for, I think it was approximately $22 Canadian with the shipping. So, I think I got the equivalent of what it would be worth. So, here's the Zippo. And it's got the safety sticker on it, and the price there. And then, oh, here's this. It's pretty cool. And, well, anyway. Yeah, I got the one with the slashes, because, I don't know, I thought that was pretty cool. I don't know. Then I'll get back to you once I peel off the sticker. A little bit of residue on there. Whatever. Yeah, whatever. There. Okay, so, anyway. Wow, here's a lighter. Oh, brushed chrome textures. On the other side, it feels a bit sharp on the fingers. Oop, okay. Whew. Pretty nice. As you can see here. Yeah, this one was made in K 2017. I don't know what the K is, what month or whatever. Made in USA, Zippo. And all Zippos are made in USA. But it's pretty nice, like, I haven't waited too long, maybe like 2 weeks for this to come in. I was pretty excited when I heard that came in. And then let's just see it. Very tight in there. And there we go. This one is also made in. This is made in J of 2017. Well, anyway, I guess that's the video. Don't worry, guys. There will be a 100 subscriber special. It's just it might take some time. I mean, with school and all this, I'll put that back in after. But anyway, well, thank you guys for watching. And hope you all have a great day. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe, comment down below what you think of this. And yeah.